Today we're going to cover how the edit button works at each breadcrumb inside of the program. Now in this case we're at our scenario level, so if we were to hit the edit button on the scenario breadcrumb, it's going to open our scenario properties. Now with the scenario properties, this is where I could go in and change my scenario from saying scenario 1 to say base bid. So in this case, we type in base bid as our title. Also, if you wanted this scenario to have bond, you could click on bond and you could turn your bond on inside of your project. Or if you needed to apply a markup in between your gross price and your selling price, this is how you could also apply a markup there. There are additional options out here for you. However, those are the most commonly asked about items. Here, if you click save, you'll notice that the name changed on the scenario, and now we can move forward. Once we click forward, you'll notice that at the section level, we also have the edit button. When you click the edit button here, you're going to notice that there's a lot less options. In this case, we're allowing you to change the name of the section you're working with, and we're also allowing you to apply a repeat to that section as well. For example, let's say that you had 4 buildings and all of the buildings were the exact same, and you didn't want to do 4 takeoffs. Well, you could change this repeat to 4, and then what it would do is multiply the cost by 4 for you, so that way you would see the actual price and cost for the project if you were bidding all 4 buildings without having to do 4 separate takeoffs. And that's one way that the repeat can be used. You'll also notice that there are S fields here. These S fields are user-definable fields. And if you need some assistance in setting those up, please feel free to call us on the tech line and we'd be happy to help you out. We're going to click save and we're going to move forward to our pages. At the page level, you'll also get an edit button as well. However, you're going to get some more options when you go into the page level. In this case, click on our page edit button, and now you'll see that we get to change the title. Just like the section, we have a repeat option as well, and you'll also notice that instead of having S123, we actually have P123. These are P fields that are going to be user definable as well. On top of that, you'll also notice that we allow you to set a scale. We also allow you to adjust your DPI, which stands for dots per inch on your computer. We have the graphics mode, so are you in graphics quality or are you in performance? And then if you're a roofer, we also have the ability for you to type in a pitch here as well to be applied to the entire page. At the bottom, you'll notice that we do have an option for plan date and revision date, and these are simply columns that you can see the information on when you're looking at your page breadcrumb. Fill all of this out as needed and go ahead and click save. Now, if we were to move forward once more, now we're accessing our conditions breadcrumb, and at the condition level, you'll notice that you have the edit button. At the condition level, depending on the style of condition you click on, whether it's an area, a lineal footage, or a count, it will open up different properties. It's also going to show you different properties depending on the trade that you work with. For example, roofing and drywall do not look the same. Acoustical and drywall do not look the same as well. So make sure that as you're working through any of the condition properties, if you have questions, you can refer to our videos that we have out there, or feel free to give us a call on the tech line and we'd be happy to help you. Thank you for watching and have a great rest of your day.